Hunter Node Timer instructional video on one of the most frustrating features of the timer. So just even bringing up the first menu is interesting, but and I was looking at something before, so this is where it normally will come up with the time, and you can scroll through the menus pressing the middle button that you held down to light up the screen, the LCD. Days of the week, 100%, seasonal, and then off. If you don't press anything, in a few seconds the screen will go dim and they say it's going to sleep. And if you leave it in the off position, you will not have any watering. Your system will be shut off. So do not let it go to sleep in that position. It takes a few seconds for it to do that, so I'm going to scroll back through so that it knows we're still here. And if you plus, you can set how many days you want it to be off before it comes back to the automatic cycle, which can be apparently a lot of days. I imagine up to 99. And just like with the programming of the start times, it will at midnight, between 11:59 and midnight is when the off is for the start times. This has the amount of days you can delay it being off for 99 days, and so if you let it go to sleep in that position, it will be off. But if you go back to the main screen and let it go to sleep in that position, it will be set to the automatic timings that you had already set for the days and the start time and all of the other settings. So watch out for that frustrating feature. Do not let it sleep in the off position. Let it sleep in the time position or any other position other than the off position. Happy gardening.